Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Home Decor 974. Today in this video our title is about craft paper home decoration ideas. Friends, like every time, this time I have brought you new decoration ideas. How to decorate your house from paper craft, handmade paper craft we are showing you in this video. Friends, you can make paper butterfly, paper flowers, and many much more we are showing you in this video. This craft art enhances beauty to your house and your house looks more beautiful. That's all friends, now I'm going. Take care. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.